This mixing bowl set is a 3-piece set that also has lids so that each one can be sealed and can be airtight. You can even leave it off so that you can still cool things down if you have something warm in there. That's what I like about this, so that if I have something warm, I can still seal it but let it vent to let things cool off. Otherwise, it is a nice airtight seal with the rubber gasket around the edges. And this is just a really great set, really nice stainless steel, and so that every time you use it, it still looks perfectly clean and like it's brand new every single time. This is a great set that also has rubber bottom so that when you have it on the counter, it doesn't move and it stays in place. You don't even have to hold it. Even when you're stirring more vigorously, it still stays in place. Now this set is really nice. Just to show you a bit more of a close-up with it as well, it is really nice that it stays in place with the rubber bottom. This is great just for when you need to have both hands going at the same time. You're able to have it stay in place without it going all over. And it's just really great. Also, they're nesting, so all the bowls go inside of each other. They all fit inside, and the small one then goes inside of that one. And then so for storage, it takes up very little space, only the amount of space of the biggest bowl. And as I mentioned, it is extremely clean and easy to use, very easy to clean, and it's so shiny. I mean, you could use this as a mirror if you wanted to, it's so shiny. And all the lids, they go on nice and smoothly like that. Usually it's best to have it open, so when you push it down, it can get out the air, and then it can be airtight. And then you can close it, and it even has little handles on here essentially, so that you can have a good grip to open it up later. And again, it is a little tight to open it. So when you want to open it, you can also do the same as when you close it. Open that up, and then it'll open and close a lot easier with that little valve. So this is just a great set. Even with that, you can even stack on top with the lid. So if you having two of the same thing and using these for serving, then you could have that, and when that's finished, open up the next one. These are great for mixing, great for serving, great for salads, and be able to prepare your salad ahead of time. Have it in here, keep it fresh, and then when you're ready for the salad to be served, you open it up. Great for mixing, baking, whatever it may be, storing hot food or cold food in here. Just a overall great set, and they also have measurements built in on the side. A little hard to see because it's super reflective right now, but you have it both in quarts, going from half a quart all the way up to 4.5 quarts, and also in liters, half a liter up to 4.5 liters with the incremental lines on them. So great when you are starting out with liquid items that you're measuring. You can pour in the liquid first. Save yourself from using another measuring cup, so you can just pour them right into him. And they all have that. The small, medium, and large all have the built-in measuring lines on the side. So that is an added bonus as well on all three of them. And the smallest one is 1 quart or 1 liter, a little bit above that on the highest measuring mark. So really great bowl. They stay clean. They stay scratch-free. They're stainless steel bowls. Really amazing set. Highly recommend them. Thank you to the brand for providing them for me.